Alright guys, so what's up? So in today's video we are going to be testing out this spray on foundation from Dior. This is Airbrush Radiance spray foundation in the shade 401. So it says, guys, on the bottle, it says shake for 5 seconds before use for optimal makeup results. Alright guys, so it claims on it, so this is a radiant finish, airbrush perfection, buildable formula, water resistant, and 12-hour wear test. Well, and then it also says shake for 5 seconds before use. For optimal makeup results, spray onto the Dior Backstage Pro buffing brush, then apply a small circular motions onto the face, gently dabbing onto areas that require more coverage. Spray onto brush, then apply as you need depending on how much coverage you want. So on like the little thing right here, it also says that you can actually spray it onto the face as well. So yeah, you guys, so we're gonna be shaking this, but first actually I want to prime. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched face base. It's this one, guys, right here. I really love this. Like, oh, you guys, I love it. I'm so glad I picked it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a back of my brush, scoop a little bit up. I don't need that much, guys. Like, literally, like, that much is enough for my skin. Like, so you guys, this is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched. It's so amazing. If I recommend anything to you guys, like a moisturizer or something, it would be this one. So we're just gonna pat it into the skin, and you guys see it's already giving me that a little bit of a glow, which y'all know I love a glow. So you guys, I haven't done brows. I normally always start with brows on already, but because this is a spray foundation, I don't want to mess up my brows, one, and two, I didn't shave because I want to see if this formula is buildable. So that's why I don't have much hair right now, but I do want to see how this foundation goes on. So then I'm gonna go ahead and take, so now I'm gonna be going ahead and taking my Dr. Brant Pores No More. You guys know I love this primer. This is like my tried and true favorite primer. I go in with 2 pumps, and 2 pumps really does it for my skin. So I just dot it on my face just like that, and then I'll really go ahead and start buffing and blending it into my pores. And actually, guys, I actually put this on my cheeks because this actually really blurs. So then now I'm gonna go ahead and shake this Dior foundation. So I am in the shade 401, guys. At least that's the shade I picked up. So you guys, it feels so light though, and I can't believe I paid $60 for this fucking foundation, guys. So it better be worth it. So you guys, let's see. So I'm shaking it, and I'm gonna go a little bit far away from my face. Okay, so it does get on your shirt. Okay, so you guys, that was like a very light coverage. Did I get some on my backdrop? Alright guys, so just like that, that is this is just like one coat. I'm gonna go ahead and build up and see what happens. Okay, that is good. You guys gotta really hold your breath. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go in with my sponge and see what happens. So actually a lot of product to come out. And actually, you guys, I see a lot of like some of the YouTubers that I watch, they actually use a actual foundation on the bottom and then they go on with the top. But this says it's a buildable coverage, so I did want to see if it could go pretty full. You guys, I wanted to go in with a beauty sponge and not a brush because that's what I use on a normal daily basis. Okay, you guys, so this looks really pretty and beautiful. I will give it that. The only downside is if you are gonna spray it like me, it gets everywhere. So don't do your hair, don't do anything. Wear an ugly shirt because then it gets on your shirt. So yeah, but anyway, I want to talk about like the coverage and how beautiful it looks. So I can use a little bit more on my forehead. I could use a little bit more everywhere. So I'm gonna go in with another coat. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some more right there on my forehead. Right there on my cheeks. My mouth area, you guys can see right here that I don't have coverage right there. Wow. You guys, and I love the color for my skin. Like, I really like the color. So actually, I'm gonna spray a little bit on my little beauty sponge. So I wanna see what happens when I spray on here. You guys, I actually think that this is a very fucking full coverage. Like, it's really pretty. I like totally love it. Oh wow. I'm not gonna say this is like a really mask kind of full coverage, like that porcelain kind of look. This is a pretty damn full coverage look though. It looks really good. So I'm gonna do brows, like I said, really fast. I'm gonna just skim through it. I'm not gonna be really detailed with it. Now I'm going to be going in with the ColourPop concealer just to conceal my brows. So I'm going to go under my brow just like that. And then grab an angled brush that I normally always use. And then just go ahead and sketch on my brow. Now I'm going to go ahead and you guys, so this is with brows on. Alright guys, so that's lashes on. It looks really pretty. Now we're gonna go ahead and jump into concealer. Woohoo. You guys, I love this concealer. ColourPop, where you at? So I just really want to see, because you guys, this is like one of my favorite one of my favorite concealers, and I want to see how it works on top of this Dior that's $60. ColourPop concealer is only like $6. Hello. So you guys, this finish of the foundation, it actually dried down, so it's not like transferring off. No, whatever. So you guys, it's not transferring off at all. So it's really matte, not matte, but it's like a demi matte, like, you know, that natural matte kind of finish. So it's actually not dewy on my skin. That's weird, but I like it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blend out this concealer. You guys, look how full coverage this concealer is. It's so pretty. So then I'm gonna go in with my foundation side and go ahead and blend it, just because I like when I use a little bit of the foundation, when I use the excess of foundation, it really blends it in a lot better, and you don't have, you know, like those lines or anything. It looks just better in my opinion. So I'm gonna go in with my Derablend powder. You guys already know I love this powder. So you guys, I'm just setting my under eye area, and then I'm gonna go right away and dust that bakage off. I'm gonna first pat it into the skin. I'm patting it, and then dusting it off. Dusting all that excess off. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a other brush, a really like fluffy brush. I'm gonna go ahead and set all the other areas. So just to bronze up, I'm gonna go ahead and use my big bronzer from Black Radiance. And I'm gonna go ahead and just bronze up the cheeks. Today I'm gonna be going in with my Lancome highlighter. I haven't used this in forever, but this one is in Luminous Gold in 02. A lot. I'll be back. I'm gonna go ahead and hop on the Morphe lip in Phatty, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it on this Dior Airflash. I actually really like it, guys. I love the coverage on it. You guys saw in the beginning of the video, I still had like a little bit of hair coming through, and you could barely see that shit. And this is very buildable. I really recommend this one, guys. I love the finish. That's what I love about it the most, and also the coverage. I love how it lays on the skin. So I really do like it. I do think it's worth it. If you want a cheaper alternative to this, finish wise, you know, I'm not talking about coverage wise, I'm talking about finish wise, then I will say go with the NARS Soft Matte, because it kind of has that same finish once it dries down. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I do love this Dior Airflash, like I said. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys loved it. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you guys know always when I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video.